This year was very challenging for me. I saw a lot of downfall, but by the end of the year, I managed to get out of the trough. Well, in this financial video, we will be telling you the 10 lessons we learned this year that will make you rich in the next few years. Watch the video till the end, as all the lessons of the video are going to be important for you. Now let's start. 1. It costs a lot to try to impress others. I frittered away this year beginning trying to impress others with my costly wardrobe, restaurant bills, and automobile purchases. Attempting to impress others, however, is an expensive and ultimately fruitless endeavor. I began saving more money and concentrating on what was really important, my wealth building and financial success, after I understood I didn't need the praise of others. Nobody gives a hoot about your housing situation or the make of your automobile. Those who do are probably envious. Instead than trying to wow other people with your possessions, focus on increasing your net worth. 2. Your friends and family should not have any say in your financial future. You shouldn't listen to advice from folks who are financially strapped. Even when they're strapped for cash, your friends can still trust their sound financial counsel and perspective. Do not listen to those who claim to know something but cannot provide evidence to back up their claims. Although your loved ones mean well, you should not put too much stock in their financial advice based on their past performance. Just because you have a soft spot for your loved ones doesn't imply they should be your go-to financial counselors. If I want to make better financial decisions in the future, I need to study the habits of financially successful people and professionals and also see my actions and my mistakes, and you should also do the same. If you want to know more amazing tricks and secrets to get rich in 2024, then do press the like button and also the subscribe button. 3. Your partner in financial matters is your spouse. Pick with caution. In terms of money, it's crucial to marry someone who shares your ideals and ambitions. A partner's careless spending or substantial debt can put your financial stability at risk. I've been really lucky to find a partner that thinks like me when it comes to money, and we've built a strong nest egg for our future. You should be aware of your future spouse's financial mental model before you tie the knot. Determining your life mate begins with this step. Your financial situation will deteriorate regardless of your efforts if your partner lacks a strong work ethic or has a tendency to splurge. Pick wisely. 4. Investing isn't meant to be fun. The goal of investing should not be to ride out transient moves in the stock market or crazes around cryptocurrencies. Rather, you should invest with the intention of building wealth over the long term. As soon as I realized that even the most successful methods of investing may be tedious at times, I began focusing my attention on trend following and swing trading. An extensive, secure, and diversified portfolio has been accumulated by me as a result of my trading approach and this careful strategy. 5. The spending habits of real millionaires. It was shocking to hear that the majority of real billionaires lead frugal lives, sometimes settling for older vehicles and smaller dwellings. Instead of frivolously spending money, they were able to build wealth via saving and investing. I have been able to increase my money and improve my financial decision-making since I adopted this mindset. Even the infamously thrifty billionaire Warren Buffett still lives by the golden rule. Having the mindset that you can get your money's worth from your expenditure is the bedrock idea that builds wealth. Spending more than you earn guarantees that you will never have enough money. 6. Profitable investing strategies are the only ones that may generate profits. Having a technique that may offer you an edge by capitalizing on market inefficiencies is necessary if you want to be a consistently wealthy investor. My ability to recognize and capitalize on opportunities of this kind has been a significant factor in the degree to which I have been successful in investing. Over the course of a lengthy period of time, I have continuously made earnings because of the rigorous approach and intensive research that I have developed. 7. In terms of your financial situation, you should make a plan for the future. When I decided to make financial objectives for the future, that was the moment that completely changed the game for me. After some reflection in the year 2023, I have come to the conclusion that it is more vital to make investments in my future than it is to pursue gains in the short. Putting money down for retirement, savings for unexpected expenses, and the construction of assets that create income are the ways that I handle this situation. Having the ability to maintain a focus on the bigger picture has enabled me to weather the storms of the market and ensure a prosperous future for myself financially. Concentrate on getting to the point where you want to be in your career rather than fretting about where you are in your current position. You will be able to build your investment portfolio to the point where you want it to be in the future if you combine compounding returns with monthly payments. 8. Make sure you have many sources of revenue. It is imperative that you diversify your sources of earnings if you want to achieve or maintain financial stability. Through the process of diversifying my sources of income, I was able to free myself from the need of having a job and protect my financial future regardless of the state of the economy. Through the construction of trading strategies, the publishing of books, and the establishment of my website, I was able to attain material success in my financial endeavors. 9. Commit your time to the investment of your money. Once I began paying other people to carry out the job that I loathe, that was the moment when everything changed. I have been able to dedicate more time and energy to things that offer me joy and financial reward ever since I started outsourcing my tax preparation, yard upkeep, and other laborious jobs. This has allowed me to spend more time and energy on activities that provide me pleasure. The use of this method has resulted in a significant enhancement of my quality of life, as well as the ability to spend a greater amount of time on activities that either provide me financial or emotional satisfaction. 10. Things that are constructed by those who are affluent. The realization that wealthy people who have attained their position by their own efforts are the ones who produce money via the development of commodities, services, ideas, or enterprises is a second significant discovery that has been experienced. Keeping this perspective in mind, I have built a presence on the internet and focused my efforts on developing transferable skills and assets that have the potential to bring me financial gain. Because I am so driven to succeed in business, not only has my net worth increased, but I have also developed tremendously. That's all for today. Now you know all the lessons we learned in 2023 that will make you rich in 5 years. You must implement these lessons if you really want to get rich. Press the red subscribe button and also the like button if you want to know more amazing and new financial lessons that will make you rich in life. This small action of yours motivates us to do more research and present more amazing financial videos. We learned these lessons from our mistakes and also by analyzing my friends' and relatives' mistakes. You must avoid the mistakes we did if you really want to become a millionaire. $1 million is not very difficult to earn, only you will have to be sincere and honest with yourself and work hard. These are the basics of gaining riches. Share this video with all of your friends and family members for them to learn. If you invest well and aim to get rich in life, then you will easily achieve that goal. Add a comment below if you are having any queries or suggestions for us. Thank you for watching the video till here.